Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Claude in Excel. All right, let's begin. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the add-ins section. Click on it to open the add-ins marketplace where you can install extensions and tools for Excel. Here, you'll find different integrations. Next, look for other integrations inside the menu. If you can't, simply click on the More Add-ins button. Now, click on the Microsoft App Source feature and your browser will open up. Here, look for Claude or search for it using the top search bar. You can also apply filters to find it easily. Once selected, click Install, and then enter details of your Microsoft account you're using on your Microsoft Excel to install it. Then, get back to Excel, and Claude will start appearing in the Microsoft dialog box. Simply select it and click on the Add button to install it successfully. You can see that the Claude icon has appeared in the top right corner. Keep in mind that Claude for Excel requires a paid Claude plan to work properly. So that's basically how you can install Claude in Excel. That's it for this video. Thanks.